Hey folks, I want to show you something really cool. This is an Airbnb. My wife and my family, we stayed in here the last couple nights, but I wanted to show you how simple it is to invest in real estate with an Airbnb. So first of all, this is all pretty much IKEA stuff. So here's a futon that could be considered a sleeper. All right, that could probably sleep one or two. You got a chaise lounge with just a little coffee table, an end table with a lamp, another end table with a lamp, nothing, trash can in the corner. Here we got a table for essentially 8. We've got 6 chairs around it up against the wall. Super easy. This, once again, is all IKEA. Another lamp in here. Inside the kitchen, look at this. Nothing. Basically, there's nothing in this house except for the bare necessities. They have about 5 or 6 plates, about 10 cups. Other than that, it's just plasticware. Let me show you. There you go, just a bunch of plasticware so you can throw it away when you're done. That's super easy, super cheap. You know, there you go, there's a couple of plates, couple of bowls, some napkins. Really, everything else is empty. You got the gas stoves if I wanted to cook. Got a dishwasher so I can wash up behind myself. Got a fridge, washer and dryer. This place, I was paying $89 a night for this place. You won't find a hotel room that nice for $89, I can guarantee you. To have 3 beds and 1.5 baths. So, as far as the bedrooms, let me show you. There you go. We kind of left it a little mess because, you know, we were sleeping in it. But there's the bed, all IKEA. There we go, in the bathroom. Very nice. Look at these little decorative tubs with towels in them. Super easy. All white towels. You don't have to do super fancy. You just have to have something there for them to get. A little soap on the counter. Looks nice. Here in another room, you've got 2 more beds. Simple, all IKEA, super cheap. Even the window coverings are IKEA. And lastly, there's the master bed, all IKEA. Super cheap, super easy. So this lady, the people who rented this house out to us, they're charging $89 a night. We were here 2 nights. I ended up paying $220 total for the ability to stay here. And, you know, she wouldn't get $100 a night renting this place out to, say, a month-to-month renter. She'd get probably $50 if she's lucky. $50 a night, that's $1,500 a month. And this part where I am, and I happen to be in Midvale, Utah. I went to a wedding. You're talking, they're not going to get probably $1,500 a month to rent this place out. So by renting an Airbnb, getting $100 a night, and almost every night's probably going to be full, because it's a good price. You're talking $3,000 a month. That's double the rent you'd get. And if somebody doesn't pay their rent, like, you know, a month-to-month renter, you don't have to pay to evict them. Airbnb, I've never heard of it anyway. I've never heard of anybody having to kick somebody out or evict them from an Airbnb. People come, they spend a couple nights, they leave, and that's it. And they pay big bucks to do it because it's cheaper than staying in a hotel. So, if you're looking for a way to maximize your profit potential and you have some space, do an Airbnb. Super easy. I'll give you some details down below. Hey, keep investing, guys. Till next time.